All right, so moving on to number 21. We're going to open up the CW views. I need to go to my Gmetrix templates, CW views. Open, activate level 2 with furniture floor plan. Level 2 with furniture floor plan. So level 2 with furniture floor plan. This one, double click here. And it says how many sofa 72-inch components similar to the highlighted sofa have been hidden in this view. So come down to the reveal hidden elements. And let's see, we see one, two, there's 3, 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4. Let's see, 4. Yay, okay, so there we got that one. Continue. I'm just gonna close out of this. Close it. Save it, no. Open basic walls, Revit. Basic walls, this one here. Activate the view scale text building elevation view. Activate the view scale text building elevation view. All right, view scale text right here. And then it says adjust the scale so the word text fits between the BO footing. All right, so we're gonna adjust the scale. So down here is a scale. We can go to, we're at 1/16 right now. 1/8, I need to go 1/4. 1/4 looks pretty good. Doesn't it? 1/4, 1/4. Looks like 1/4 to me. We're gonna go with 1/4 of an inch. Space equals space 1 foot. Nope, no dash. 1 foot 0 inches. Oh, that's not a plus there. That's an equal. It's too early in the morning for me. All right, dang it. I still want to equal. There. Oh, try again. All right. 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. Oh, and just space in here. See how picky that thing is? I'm telling you. You can get the right answer, but if you don't get the right spacing in there, they're gonna count it wrong on you, which is a bunch of poo, I'm just saying. All right, so 1/4 inch equals a foot. Make sure you space it all out and all that good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go to continue. We're gonna go to open basic walls, Revit. Open basic walls, Revit, right here. Close it. Oh, I was thinking I'm already in that. Let's close out of this thing. Close all this. No, I was already in that drawing, so I'm gonna open it. Here, open. Activate the level 1 floor plan. It already is. Change the detail level to medium. So detail level to medium. What letter shows up in the highlighted room? So that's a big X right there. Let's say X. Bam, right there. All right, so we got that one. All right, now we're gonna do the basic walls again. I'm just gonna close out of it and open it back up. Basic walls. If you're on the test, probably won't want to do that because you're wasting time, but I'm just gonna start with a clean, brand new, freshly drawing. All right, so then it says activate the level 1 base plan, level 1 base. Turn off the visibility for all model element categories except furniture. For all model elements. So I would go to visibility graphics, click edit. We're going to turn off the visibility for all model elements. Oh, I can select all right here. I can select all. I can turn them all off. I would hit probably apply and then go to furniture and turn it on and apply. Yeah. Now it says how many elements are visible in this view. So I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 to me. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Yeah. All right. Okay, so now we are going to open CW View's cut plane. I'm gonna close out of this one. Close it. Do you want to save? No. Open CW View's cut plane here. Open it. Activate the level 2 floor plan. So we're in that one. And then it says change the cut plane to 7 feet. So I'm gonna type in VR. Type in VR for view range. I'm going to change the cut plane to 7 feet. Hit apply. And then it says what letter shows up in the hallway between grid lines B and C. Oh, there's a big U right there. So U. All right, there's that one. Continue. Again, I'm going to close out of this one just so I can start off with a clean slate. All right, so we're going to open up Basic Walls Revit. I'm going to go to Open Basic Walls, open this bad boy up, and we're going to activate the south building elevation. So I'm going to double click on south. It says create a level 3 at 25 feet as shown. So I'm going to go to architecture. I'm going to go to level. It's 12'6". It's 12'6" above this one. So 12'6", right up there. And drag it all the way over to here. Level 3. I'm going to cancel that. Cancel that. It says set the elevation base property of the level type to survey point. So I'm going to click on level 3. And I'm going to go up to edit type. And I'm going to change my elevation base from project base point to survey point. Hit apply. And then it says, what is the new elevation shown? So the new elevation shown is 27 feet, 2 inches. 27 feet, space, 2 inches. Hit next. All right, we're moving along now. All right, so it says open basic wall. So let me close out of this one. Just to be show. Yes. Oh wait, I did not want to save that, and I did, didn't I? Ugh. Anyway, I'm gonna go to open, basic walls. Activate the hallway gallery interior elevation. So the interior elevation is right here, hallway gallery. And then we're gonna duplicate the view. I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna right click. I'm going to go to duplicate view. Which one of these should I pick? I'm just going to go to duplicate. Oh, and then it says, what word is displayed in the new view? Dream board. Dream board. And click next. All right. Moving right along. So let me see if I can not save it this time. File, close, save, no. All right, so then it says open CW views. CW views, this one. Activate level 1 floor plan, which already is, but I'm gonna double click it anyway. Create a new schedule view. Oh, this is not fun. If you see this on the test, my suggestion is, especially if it's early in the test, I would skip this one. Come back till the very end once you've answered all the other questions. So because this one is a time consumer. All right, so let's see if I can do this. We're gonna create a new schedule view. So I'm gonna go up to view, and I'm gonna go up to schedule view. I'm gonna create a schedule. And then it says with the following properties, we're gonna name, the name is gonna be a door schedule. So I'm gonna click on doors here. See, our name is door schedule here. Category is doors. Phase project completion, got that. I'm gonna click OK. And then it says add the following fields in this order. So we're gonna go family, we're gonna add that over, we're gonna go width, dun, 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 dun. We're gonna add that over, height. You probably could click them all at once, like height, and then thickness. So I would look for thickness, control, click thickness, level, hit control, count. I think this way we're gonna have to reorder them. Count, I think comments. Now we got them all selected. We can bring them over. Now we got family, width, height. I need to move this up. We got thickness. I need to move this up. We got level. I need to move that up. Count. I need comments is down here. I need to bring you down to the bottom. So family, width, height, thickness, level, count, comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now it says filter the comments. Filter the comments contain. Oh, filter by comments contains owner. I'm gonna filter by comments contains owner. Contains owner. And then sort, and then sort. And then we're gonna sort by level. You can tell I haven't done this in a while. Sort by level with the blank line, here. Then sort by family, then sort by family. Turn itemize every instance off. So I turn this off. For grand total, select title, count, totals. For grand totals, select title, count, and totals. How many doors show up for the grand total? So we're gonna click OK. We got everything typed in correctly. And then so our grand total is 12. Let's cross our fingers. Oh yeah, we did it. So we got the right answer. That's all that matters. All right, so like I said, yeah, that one's gonna take a little bit of time. So if you see that right in the beginning somewhere, just kind of skip it and come back after you've answered the other ones, and if you have any more time left. All right, so moving right along, we're gonna open up CW views. I'm gonna close this. Do you want to save it? No. Open CW views. We're going to create a new schedule view with the following properties. Are we doing this again? Are we really doing this again? Hopefully I'm not going to throw in 2 schedule questions on you, but we're going to go to view. We're going to go to new schedule. And we're going to go to create a new schedule with the following, view with the following properties. Name furniture schedule. So I would go to furniture. Our name is furniture schedule. Category is furniture. Phase is project completion. We're going to hit OK. We're going to add the following fields in this order. So we're going to go to family, type, level. Again, I'm holding down the control key as I'm selecting these over on the left. Then we're gonna go count. I'm gonna click on the arrow to the right. Now we wanna make sure that they're in order. So family is at the top, then type, level, 1 up, and then count. And then we're gonna go to sort by family with the blank line. Sort by family, I'll click blank line here. And then by level, then by level, then by level. Turn itemize every instance off. So uncheck this one. And then for grand totals, select title, click grand totals. We're gonna select title, count, and totals. And then how many chair brewers show up in the schedule count for level 1. Let's click OK and see what we get. So we're gonna look for chair brewer. So we got chair brewer here. Show up in the schedule count for level 1. So chair brewer for level 1, we got 62. Type in 62. Click next, cross your fingers. Oh yes, okay. I don't like schedule questions, I ain't gonna lie. Anyway, we got through those. All right, last one, yay. All right, and we were only on, it only took us 3 hours to do this. No, I'm kidding, it didn't take that long. So we're going to close. Save it, no. All right, so we're gonna open up CW views, open CW views. We're gonna activate A101, which is gonna be a sheet down here, first floor plan. So this one, double click it. We're gonna add a new grid guide to the sheet. This is another one I haven't done in a while. All right, so we're gonna go to view. We're gonna go to sheet composition. We're gonna go to grid guide. We're gonna click that. And change the grid spacing to 6 inches. So I'm just gonna hit OK here. We're gonna change the spacing to 6 inches. So I want to click the grid, change the spacing here to 6 inches. Now it says how many rows of boxes with the full height of 6 inches exist in the grid. So how many rows? So rows would not be, we're gonna go, so that's not a full row. This is 1, 2, I'm gonna go with 3. I'm gonna say 3 rows. Yay, okay. So yeah, I don't use the grid guides a lot, but there we go. We got through them all, so continue. All right, so look at them all. We got 100. We got them all perfectly. So now we just want to go back through, make sure that we can do this without thinking about it. So just kind of practice them over and over and over until you can do it in your sleep. They're not going to ask these exact questions, obviously. They may not even ask this type of question. So there's a few in here that you're probably not going to see on the actual certified user exam, but it's important to know how to do each types of those questions. So just kind of make sure that you kind of practice it and you're ready to go. So I hope you do good on the actual test, and let me know how you did. All right, peace out.